Today I have a 2018 Nissan Altima SR, and it has a low engine. I've forgotten the engine size, but this one, if you have any noise coming from your passenger side, like underneath the dashboard, like a rattling sound, let me give you guys a listen to that. Like when the car is idling, and also when you're driving, you hear like you're really knocking and rattling sound coming out from that side. Also when you go to reverse and the noise increases, and when you're in drive, the noise kind of like goes away. Don't panic too much. It's gonna be your engine mount. 80% of the time, it's not your engine or it's not your transmission going bad. It's the engine mount on the passenger side. So let me show you guys what it looks like outside. To easily figure out if it's the engine mount on the passenger side, let me show you guys the mount. That is this mount on the bottom. This is the bracket, and the mount lives underneath this reservoir and steering wheel pump. So this is the mount right here, the one that you might have to check. So for you to verify if it's that mount that is bad, you want to take your jack with a piece of wood on it, just give like a little support on the engine, just a little support, not too much. Then you go back inside the car and see if you get that same noise. Okay, we got the support on the engine. Let's go back inside and listen to the engine again. So I'm back in the car, and let me close the door. And you can hear the noise is gone. That's because that mount is supposed to support the engine, and it's not doing the job well. And if I go to reverse, you can see the noise is not there. Go to drive, the noise is still not there. Go to park, the noise is still there. So we found our problem. The problem is the engine mount on the passenger side. I'm gonna change that. Sorry about not being able to show you guys the process. So I'm gonna change that. Then we'll come back, we'll take out the support from the engine, and we'll listen to it again. Alright, you can see this is the new mount we'll be installing. You can see it looking good. It's a little bit higher. You can see this one is cracked up right there. So this is what we're changing. This is the old mount, and right here is the new mount. And for you to take out, you might have to take out the take this power steering line out, or you can take out the pump itself to shift it around. But I just took out the line. I'm gonna refill it with brake fluid later. With steering wheel fluid later. So let me go ahead and install the next one, the new one, and we should be good after that. All right, so I just got a new mount installed right there, and that's the old one sleeping right there. So I got a new one installed. The only thing I have left now is to put the coolant reservoir back in place, and we're gonna start it up. All right, so I got everything buckled up. The engine cover is back on, the coolant reservoir is back on. Let me take out the support. Just gonna go start it up and see how it sounds like. You can see she sounds good now. No more rattle sound. Take a listen. And we go to reverse. No more rattle sound. Drive. Good. And pack. So that was literally it. It's just the engine mount on the passenger side. When you hear that rattling sound coming around your dashboard, so don't be panicked too much. Just get it to the mechanic, or you can change it by yourself. It's really easy to change. Get that engine mount changed, and you should be good.